Right, just a quick video here, just to show you a new purchase I've got. So I'm going to try and do more video diaries for more vlogging, and I've tested using this camera here, which is my iPhone 7. Picture quality is not too bad, but audio quality is not very good. So I've purchased this. Is the Rode Wireless Go, basically a wireless lavalier mic, but in order to connect it to the phone here, I've had to also get this, which is the which allows you to connect it to your iPhone. I've also got this just in case, which allows me to connect it to my Samsung if I want to swap over and use my Note 9. So I've got these sent through from Amazon just a few minutes ago, and what was unexpected was they seem to have sent a spare, which I can't complain about. Now I have a spare for this. I doubt it's out of Amazon's kind heart. It's probably a mistake, but it's the kind of mistake we like. So, should we see how it sounds? Listen to my voice now. How do I sound? And compare it to this.
I'm back. How do I sound? I've got the Wireless Go, the Rode Wireless Go hooked up, and hopefully, if it's all done correctly, then it should sound good to you. I did a quick test while I was away, which obviously you didn't see, but it does seem to sound significantly better. Definitely better than the onboard microphone. So what do you think? Does it sound okay? Certainly doesn't look great. I mean, you can see it here. I've got the transmitter attached to my t-shirt, which isn't a great look if you're out and about, but I'm just having it here. I've just put it here so you can see that it's there and how you can attach it. You can turn it inside that. You can put it on the inside of your t-shirt if you want. As I said before, I think, if I didn't, I'm going to say it now, you can attach a lavalier mic to it. It's got a, on your, that'd be your left, there is a mini jack input for a lavalier mic, and in the middle there, that's the microphone. That's the built-in microphone. But as I said, yeah, on the t-shirt, it turns your crew neck t-shirts into a V-neck, which if you like that look, great. So I'm hoping this sounds a lot clearer to you, a lot more pleasant. Let me know if you prefer this sound to the sound at the beginning of the video. So if this seems like an interesting product to you, I've got the Amazon link in the description below. It was slightly cheaper than what I'd seen previously. I got it for £160 in the UK. It was previously, I think, 167. So I thought, right, I need to get that. So if you are interested, hit that link below and get one for yourself. Don't forget, if you're using this with a smartphone, you may need to get one of the adapters. I think for the iPhone, it's the SC7. And if I remember correctly, it's the SC3 for Android phones or Android type phones. One quick tip, if you are using a mobile phone, make sure when you plug it into the phone, if you've got like an adapter, make sure it's plugged in properly. I've had to re-record this video because my first version, I didn't plug it in properly. And
hopefully my voice is still at the same level.
Basically the audio was the same as it was at the beginning of the video. So don't make my mistake. And if you are interested in an unboxing of this product, I will add that to the video now. So I've switched to the Note 9. Let me know if the picture quality is better. But then this is the rear-facing camera. Anyway, let's get down to this. So I can just about fit this in shot. Rode Wireless Go. Let's go. I'll tell you what, their glue is really strong. If Rode go bust as a microphone company, they can make glue. Why is this so hard? That's what she said. Alright, I'm just going to rip the box because people got things to do, places to be. Alright. Oh, this looks like it should be easier to get into. Yeah, there we go. Alright, what have we got? Ooh. Okay, so this should be the transmitter with the microphone in it. This should be the receiver, because I can see the LED thing there. I'm not sure how well that comes out on the camera. Let's take these out, shall we? Alright, what have we got here? Carry case. I do like a carry case. And that's everything in that box. Let's put that to the side. Ooh, fluffy bits. Dead cat. I believe that's what they're called. These little kind of wind protector thingies. Hello, I'm glad I'm free. Oh yes, shall we kiss? Right, let's see what else we've got in here. We have, this is an instruction manual, regulatory and safety information. What else? Silica gel. And the cable to connect this to your DSLR type camera. But as I said, we have, for using it with a phone, we have our own cables. So let's put that to the side for the moment. Let's check these bad boys out. 2 USB cables, USB-C if I remember correctly. Right, there's the first one. There is our receiver. And we have our transmitter. Step 1, turn it on. This must be the on switch. Must be the same in both. And hold it down for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. There's some light coming on there. Try with the other one as well. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Wireless go. Right, so this looks like it's got some juice in it. This one looks like it's running out of battery because you can see it on the battery indicator there. RX means receiver, which is this one. TX is transmitter, which is this one. Looks like that's running low on battery. You can see already there's a level. Let's open up this bad boy. This should hopefully be a bit easier. So it's the SC7, which you need for the iPhone. Well, if your iPhone doesn't have a wireless, sorry, doesn't have a headphone jack, which the iPhone 7 doesn't. So this is a TRS to TRRS connection, which, let me see if I can get my, there's my adapter for the iPhone. I can't remember which end goes on which. Let's have a quick look. Does it say? It doesn't say, but I'm going to guess. Does it say on here? Does it even matter? Right, let's try this. That will go into here. And this will go into the receiver, which is that hole there. Hole. Not very professional, is it? Alright, there we go. I've got no idea if this is actually going into the phone. Is there an option for this? I'm sure you iPhone users actually know where the options are. I'm just going to try and record, so let's try this. Where's my mic? So I'm going to put the mic up to near my mouth and speak. So, just testing that the iPhone is picking up the audio from the Rode microphone. Just realised I had it the wrong way around. But let's also do a distance test to make sure it's the right microphone. I'm moving further away, further away, further away, further away, and back again, back, back, back. 1, 2, 1, 2, blowing. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. There is a quick look at the Rode Wireless Go, very portable wireless mic system. This will definitely increase my audio game when it comes to vlogging, which I intend to do more of. And it looks like it's going to be a worthwhile investment for the quality of the videos I'm making. Still a few things I'm trying to improve upon, but it's all about the money, which I don't have enough of at the moment. So I'll just have to make do with what I've got. Luckily, the Rode Wireless Go is not massively expensive. I mean, I got it for £160, which isn't particularly expensive for something like this, so I can't complain. So there you go. There is a very quick look at the Rode Wireless Go, very portable lavalier kind of mic system. And as I said, if you're interested, the Amazon link is in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and a thumbs up would be great. If you know anyone who may be interested in this video, please share it with them. And until the next time, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Mm. Mm.